Hi everyone, hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss another definition of psychology, which is psychology as a science of mind. Greek philosophers named psychology as a science of mind. Mind is defined as feelings, sentiments, sensation, conscious and unconscious functions. Greek philosophers used the term of soul and mind unanimously. Plato was the person who introduced this term for the first time. Aristotle proposed mind as the function of body and mental process are affected due to environmental factors. John Locke declared that soul is religious concept and mind is psychological concept. He presented the notion known as tabula rasa, that means mind is absolutely blank sheet at the time of birth. Environmental experiences make prints on it. When individuals analyze and organize these prints, they affect his sensation and feelings about that particular event, situation, or person. In 19th century, psychology was emerging as a separate discipline. It was defined as the science of mental processes. When Wundt established the first laboratory and evolved structuralism as a school of thought, he defined psychology as a science of mind. Actually, Wundt and Titchener both were trying to study the mental process. There are two types of mental processes, cognition and affect. Perception, beliefs, thoughts, and ideas are included in cognitive mental processes. It also includes activities such as perceiving, thinking, understanding, and remembering. Affect refers to mental processes involving one's feelings, mood, or emotional state. Cognition, cognition, which is behavior, and affect are the three aspects of mental processes. Actually, it is the subject matter of psychology. That means psychology is the science of ABC. A stands for affect, B for behavior, and C for cognition. To understand someone at any given time or to predict what one will do next, we have to understand what he or she is feeling, which is affect, doing, which is behavior, and thinking, which is cognition. Mind is comprised of conscious, subconsciousness, and unconsciousness. Mind or mental processes have following characteristics. Number one is complete unit. Mind is a complete unit. It doesn't work as different or separate faculties such as memory, imagination, or thinking. We analyze them separately just for our study purpose, yet mind itself as a complete unit. Second one is non-matter. Mind is not made of flesh or other matter like brain. Although it is connected with brain, yet we can never touch it. Number three is active. Mind remains active without any gap. Number four is continuity. There is constant flow of mental processes. Mind is compared to a continuously flowing stream, yet its past, present, and futures are connected to complete whole. Number fifth is subjective. Mental processes are subjective and very personal. No other person can directly observe or judge them. After having all this discussion, if we replace the term of mind with mental processes, then this definition can become quite reasonable. Even then, it has to face some criticism. Criticism was mind or mental processes are untouchable and can't be seen or observed, so experimentation will become impossible or difficult. We can be aware of our mental activities and not of others. Dependency on this definition will make our knowledge limited and subjective. Animals, kids, and mental patients can't observe their own mental processes. Due to the flow of mental processes, it becomes quite difficult to study them as they are continuously changing. So, this definition is also not fully acceptable. Thanks for watching the video. If you like my video, do share and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.